Welcome back to Stef Le Chef. Today I'm going to take on a version of this classic French dish, bœuf bourguignon. This is, however, my version of it, and this is what my grandmother taught me when I was a little boy. Crowd pleaser, winter warmer, especially this time of year. Excellent for dinner party, as the prep and cooking is done beforehand, before your guests arrive, and all you have to do is serve and enjoy yourself with them. That's what it's all about. So, bœuf bourguignon, that's what you need. I've got my beef, who's been marinated for 24 hours. I've got some Streaky smoked bacon, or you can use Lardons, I prefer to use that. I've got some chestnut mushrooms here, which I'm gonna pan fry in a little butter. I've got some shallots, which I'm gonna pan fry and deglaze with some balsamic vinegar. To make the sauce, I've got some tomato puree, some good beef stock, and a little flour. You will see how everything comes up together. Preheat your oven. I've got a fan oven, so 170. There you go. Heat your pan, little oil. We're gonna pan fry the beef first. So a little oil, and we're gonna pan fry the beef. We want it to be caramelized and sear the meat in the pan. So we put our, here we are, lovely hot pan. Lovely noise. What kind of color we want to achieve, nice and caramelized. This is the beef, this is what we want to achieve. Excellent. And once that's done, you just reserve it. That's it. We do the same process again with all the meat. Once you cooked all the beef in batches, reserve it in this. And what I like to do is put a very helpful, generous tablespoon of flour, and you mix it all together. That's gonna enable the sauce to thicken. But I will have another trick just in case it doesn't work. That's done, that's going in the oven-proof dish. And next stage, we're gonna make the sauce. We're using the same pan. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little spoon of tomato paste. The wine that I use for the marinade, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sieve it and I'm gonna use it. So just sieve it because we don't need the carrot. The carrot is only for flavor. Carrot don't go in the bœuf bourguignon on my account, on my version. Now, if you want to put it, you're welcome to do so. So tomato paste. Good beef stock goes in it. I also removed the parsley and the thyme that I put in the marinade. Bring it to the boil, a little black pepper, another pinch of salt. But I'm adding the 2 bay leaves that I put in the marinade. 2 bay leaves is more than enough. Let's bring it to the boil, and I'm adding the wine from the marinade, and we bring this to the boil again. The sauce now come to the boil. All I'm gonna add is I'm gonna have freshly chopped thyme in the sauce. Here it goes. Power off. That's it. And we're just covering our beef with this magical potion. Now that's gonna go in the oven for 2 hours. Obviously the liquid's gonna reduce and we can adjust by adding some more wine. But this little baby is going in there for 2 hours ish. You can check the tenderness. What we try to achieve is for the meat to fall apart and to be very, very tender. Okay? See you in 2 hours. So the beef has been in the oven for an hour. Now it's time to add the last ingredients. So I've got some shallots, which are going to be deglazed with balsamic. I've got some streaky bacon, smoked, and smoked if you like. It was going to be pan fried in a little oil. And some bottom chestnut mushroom pan fried in a little butter. So hot pan, a little olive oil. Just wait for it to bubble a bit. And then comes the lardons. So after 8 to 10 minutes, as you can see, the lardon are coming on very nice and crispy. All you have to do is get rid of the excess fats and just put it in a colander. And you can see here comes the fat, the nasty that we don't want. 5 to 8 minutes. Mushrooms, nice color. Ready to go in the meat. And as well use the same pan, we're gonna add a little butter to the pan, a little olive oil, and we're adding our shallots. That will take about another 6 to 8 minutes as well. Shallots, nice and brown, beautiful color, tasty. Now we're gonna deglaze with a little balsamic vinegar. This is my take on it. Oh, beautiful flavor coming through. Excellent. That doesn't take long. They don't need to be cooked through because that's gonna go back. Sorry, that's the vinegar coming through up my nose. They don't need to be cooked through 100% because we're gonna put them back in the casserole for another hour. So they will cook. There you go, lovely. We're gonna add the last ingredient to complement the dish. Be careful, it's very, very hot. There you go. We're gonna put the shallots, there you go, in it. Here comes the shallots, the mushroom, and the bacon. There you go. Lid back on for another hour in the oven. See you later. An hour in the oven, the Bourguignon's coming out. Let's check the consistency of the sauce. It looks perfect to me. Excellent. And to go with the Bourgignon, I've got a little gratin dauphinois, which is coming out as well. So let's do a little plate up. Oh, nice and rich, creamy. That's it. Oh, look at this. Meat is falling apart. Beautiful consistency. Little time to go for color. There you go. There you have it, Bœuf Bourguignon and gratin dauphinois. Now, to go with that, I suggest a nice Burgundy from Louis Latour, a famous, prestigious house of Burgundy. This one is a Gamay, my favorite grape. To go with that, perfect. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That'll be ace for more recipe coming to you soon on steflechef.com. And thank you for watching. Thank you.